Assalamualaikum and welcome back to the channel. We are going to start a new course named Introduction to Nanomaterials in Chemistry. In this course, our main course objectives include different understandings about the basic principle of nanoscience and nanotechnology. We will learn about different types of nanomaterials and their properties, and also focused on the understanding to gain knowledge about the synthesis and characterizations of different nanomaterials and nanoparticles. We will understand the chemical behavior of nanomaterials and their applications. In Module 1, we will study Introduction to Nanotechnology. In this introduction, we will study about history and how nanotechnology evolved in these years. With the introduction, we will focus about the basics of nanoscale, and then the concept about quantum confinement and surface to volume ratio will be studied. In volume 2 or module 2, we will study basics of quantum mechanics and their nanostructures. In this module, we will study about the review of quantum mechanics, and also we will study introduction to quantum dot, nanoparticle and quantum wells. We will focus towards the quantum confinement in nanomaterials and the optical and physical and chemical and electronical properties of nanomaterials. With this, we come to the module 3, in which we will discuss types of nanomaterials. In concerns about the types, we'll discuss nanoparticles, quantum dots, nanocomposites, how they participate in applications, nanotubes, nanowires, how they synthesize and they are applied towards the application, nanofilms and nanocoatings and how they are concerned with the electronics, and also we will discuss carbon-based nanomaterials like fluorines, graphenes and carbon nanotubes. In Module 4, Synthesis of Nanomaterials. In this synthesis of nanomaterials, physical methods like evaporation, condensation, laser ablation, sputtering, etc. will be discussed. In chemical methods, we will study chemical vapor depositions, sol gel, chemical reductions. In biological methods, we will study biosynthesis of nanomaterials. Characterization technique for nanomaterials will include electron microscopy, scanning probe microscopy, X-ray diffraction, and other techniques. In our module 5, we will discuss properties and applications of nanomaterials. We will discuss optical, electronic, and magnetic properties of nanomaterials. Nanomaterials in photonics and electronics will also be discussed in this module. Nanomaterial in energy like fuel cells, solar cells and batteries are also discussed. Also, we will use to discuss about nanomaterial in catalysis. We will discuss nanomaterials in healthcare and medicines, for example, drug delivery, bioimaging, etc. Also, the environmental and implications of safety rules for nanomaterials will be discussed. In Laboratory 6, in which we are going to discuss laboratory practicals theoretically, we use to synthesize and characterize different nanomaterials theoretically. Also, in our second session, we will discuss how to design a group project to synthesize and characterize nanomaterials.